Let us see, students, the next question. A carbonyl compound P with the formula C2H4O reacts with CH3MgX followed by hydrolysis to form an alcohol Q. Name the alcohol Q. Here we will get the alcohol. What is the name of that alcohol? We have to try to find out. See, that carbonyl compound meaning is what? It may be aldehyde or ketone. With the two carbon atoms, is there any chance to get a ketone? There is no chance to get ketone. So, if you want to get a ketone, minimum 3 carbon atoms are required. The least ketone is what? Acetone only, right? The smallest ketone is acetone. CH3, C double bond O, CH3. So, it requires minimum 3 carbon atoms to get ketone. So, definitely the given compound is aldehyde. Based on this, we can identify. C2H4O, that means C2H4O means what? CH3CHO, aldehyde, right? It's aldehyde. It reacts with the CH3MgX or MgX, Grignard reagent, followed by hydrolysis to form an alcohol. How it will form? We'll see that, students. Let us take now aldehyde. Aldehyde here is aldehyde CH3C double bond OH. Whenever it reacts with the alkyl magnesium halide, that is methyl magnesium halide. So magnesium is a metal, right? Here magnesium is having positive charge, carbon is having here negative charge, right? So here C double bond O group is present. Among these two, which is more electronegative atom? Oxygen is more electronegative atom. Whenever the bond broken between carbon and oxygen gets a negative charge, carbon gets positive charge. So negatively charged carbon will attack at positively charged carbon here. Positively charged magnesium will attack at the negatively charged oxygen. Now you see that what product you will get? CH3CH on oxygen OMgX. On oxygen MgX is attacked, OMgX. This CH3 is attacked on this carbon only, so CH3. This is the compound. On further hydrolysis, what will happen? So this leads to what compound? CH3CH OMgX. CH3 we have got, right? On hydrolysis means H plus and OH minus ions are present. In the presence of water, what will happen? H plus and OH minus ions are present. So whenever we have dissolved this compound in water, there is a bond broken between oxygen and a metal atom, that is magnesium. Here bond broken taking place. Whenever the bond broken between oxygen and a metal gets positive charge, oxygen gets negative charge. We know already that. So this positively charged hydrogen will attack at negatively charged oxygen, negatively charged OH minus will attack at the positively charged magnesium. Then it leads to, you see that CH3, CH3 as it is written. On oxygen, H plus is attacked, so OH we have got. This MgX, this Mg is attached by OH, so that's why MgOHX we have got as a byproduct. So this is the alcohol, secondary alcohol, right? The secondary alcohol name they are asking. Alcohol Q, name the alcohol. So writing the reaction is 1 mark. For writing the name is 1 more mark. You have to write the name also. What is the name of this compound? Propane 2-ol. And second position ol is present, that is OH group. So as for propane 2-ol, name is correct, students. I hope everybody understood. Copy this one. Let us see, students, the next important question. What is Lucas reagent? How would you distinguish primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols by using Lucas reagent? What is the Lucas reagent? It is a mixture of anhydrous, zinc chloride and concentrated HCl. That mixture generally we call as what? A Lucas reagent. Whenever they have given organic compound, it may contain primary alcohol or secondary alcohol or tertiary alcohol. How do we distinguish which alcohol is present? Means just to add Lucas reagent to it. Whenever you have added Lucas reagent to it, if you observe immediate turbidity formation, if turbidity is formed immediately, then such type of alcohol we can call as a tertiary alcohol. Suppose after addition of this Lucas reagent to the given organic compound, it takes time, little bit time. After 5 minutes, if you get turbidity, then such type of alcohol we can call as what? A secondary alcohols. So after addition of Lucas reagent also you are not getting turbidity, but on heating you are getting turbidity, means then we can confirm it that is primary alcohol, students. So this is the distinction between what? A primary alcohol, secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohol by using Lucas reagent. Okay, na? This is the question answer. Just to copy this one. Let us see, students, the next question. Name the organic compound formed when vapors of tertiary butyl alcohol is passed over heated copper at 573 Kelvin. Overheated copper at 573 Kelvin is used as what? Dehydrogenation agent. Dehydrogenation means removal of hydrogen molecule, removal of H2, right? So passed over heated copper at 573 Kelvin is used as dehydrogenation reagent. Removal of H2 is taking place. How the removal of H2 is taking place from tertiary butyl alcohol? We will see that. Tertiary butyl alcohol, you take CH3, CH3, OH I have taken. For easy understand, I am taking one of the CH3 group attached on this alpha carbon. I am taking like this CH2H. Here breaking of bond taking place. Here breaking of bond taking place. See that here name the organic compound formed when vapors of tertiary butyl alcohol is passed over heated copper at 573 Kelvin is used as, sorry Amma, this is not a dehydrogenation reagent, this is a dehydration. Dehydration means removal of water molecule. Overheated copper at 573 Kelvin is used as what? Is used as dehydration reagent. Dehydration means removal of water. Used as a dehydration reagent. So this is a dehydration reagent. Sorry, not a dehydrogenation. Dehydrogenation is different. That reagent also we will discuss now. Next question that only. This is what a dehydration reagent. Copper at 573 Kelvin. Right? Dehydration means what here? Removal of water molecule. From this carbon, one of the hydrogen, from this carbon OH group removed as water molecule. Breaking of two single bonds results in the formation of double bond here. Right? So C double bond, CH2 we have got. CH3, two sides. Right? So what is the name of this compound? 2-methyl. See that. How do we give the numbering? 1, 2, 3. On second position, methyl is present. So that's why 2-methyl propene is the correct answer, students. Right? Like this, we have to identify the answers. Let us see now. Predict the major product of acid catalyzer dehydration. Dehydration means what here? Removal of water molecule only. So the question is, you see that 1-methyl cyclohexanol. Cyclohexane formula is what? This is cyclohexane, right? So 1-methyl on first carbon, hexanol I have taken first. Cyclohexanol I have taken. On first position, methyl is present. One more group, what is that? Methyl is present. Acid catalyzer dehydration. Acid catalyzer dehydration means removal of water means obviously we have to heat the molecule, right? H plus. In presence of acid catalyzer means acid act as a catalyst. That is H plus will act as a catalyst here on heating. Heating cycle is delta. Removal of water molecule is taking place. And how the removal of water molecule is taking place means here, see that we know already this here alcohol group is present. Alcohol OH attached carbon is alpha carbon. From beta carbon H will be removed either from this side or from this side. Now you take here from H. One of the hydrogen here, one of the OH, or else this side also you can take, that is your wish, any beta carbon. OH attached carbon we have taken as alpha. Here it is a ring, in ring water, here it is beta. Beta, right? This is beta carbon atom. Here one of the hydrogen, here OH group removed as what? Water molecule. Breaking of two single bonds results in the formation of double bond, students. So the compound is what here? Here double bond will arise, right? Here CH3 answer is it. This is the compound you will get. What is the name of this compound? This is cyclohexene. Cyclohexanol will be converting into what? Cyclohexene. On which position methyl is present? First position. So that's why this is what? 1-methyl cyclohexene. 1-methyl cyclohexene as the major product. 1-methyl cyclohexene. This is first question answer. What is the second question? Second question is butane 1-ol. Butane 1-ol. Everybody knows it. CH3, CH2, CH2. CH2OH, right? Whenever we have done H plus acid catalyzed, dehydration means definitely we have to heat. So H plus by heating symbol you have to write. And OH next carbon is alpha carbon, next carbon is beta carbon. That carbon is this, from here one hydrogen, here OH. Remove in the form of water molecule, and the product formation will take place like this, students. See that CH3, CH2 as it is I have written, from beta carbon one hydrogen, from alpha carbon OH. Removed as water molecule. So that's why here you get CH double bond CH2. What is the name of this compound? Butene. What is this? Butene. Everybody knows. These are the products. Removal of water molecule. Okay? I hope everybody understood. Copy this one. Let us see, students, the next question. Complete the following. Alcohol given, copper 573 Kelvin. Here I have used already that copper 573 Kelvin is used as dehydrogenation reagent. Dehydrogenation reagent in case of primary and secondary alcohols. In case of primary and secondary alcohols, this copper 573 Kelvin is used as dehydration reagent. Dehydration reagent in case of tertiary alcohols. That we have to try to understand. Tertiary alcohols. Why it is also I am going to explain to you. Let us see here copper by 573 Kelvin. In case of primary and secondary alcohols, it is used as what? Dehydrogenation. Dehydrogenation means removal of H2. How the removal of H2 will take place? See that here RCH2OH, right? Removal of H2. Removal of H2 means here one of the hydrogen, here one of the hydrogen, removed as H2 molecule. Breaking of two singular bonds results in the formation of double bond between carbon and oxygen. So it results in the formation of aldehyde by the removal of H2. In the similar manner, in case of secondary alcohol, if you take ketone, you will get. Secondary alcohols, if you apply with the copper by 573 Kelvin, secondary alcohol will be converted into what? The ketone. Primary alcohol will be converting into what? Aldehyde. Tertiary alcohols will be converting into alkenes due to dehydration process. Why it is involving in dehydration means OH attached carbon is not having any hydrogen. Here OH attached carbon is having the hydrogens. So that's why it leads to what? Dehydrogenation taking place. But whereas coming to tertiary alcohol, OH attached carbon is not having the hydrogen. Only methyl groups are surrounded by carbon, right? So because of that reason, here there is no chance to releasing of H2 molecule, but there is a chance to releasing of water dehydration, that is releasing of water molecule. While the removal of water molecule, OH group attached carbon is alpha carbon, from beta carbon only we have to remove the hydrogen. So that's why alkene is formed. In case of tertiary alcohol, that already I have given to you example. Once you go through it, primary alcohols will be converting into aldehyde, secondary alcohols will be converting into ketones, tertiary alcohols will be converting into what? Alkenes. In the presence of copper by 573 Kelvin. That we have to keep in our mind, students. This model numerical is very, very important. Okay. And the second one, even we have got haloalkanes and haloarenes. How do we prepare alkyl halides? In the presence of what? Phosphorus halides, right? PCl3, PCl5, sulfonyl chloride, SOCl2, we know already that reactions. So ethanol when treated with phosphorus pentachloride, then we will get corresponding halogen. Haloalkane. That means what? Here halogen we have used chlorine, so that's why ethyl chloride is very good. Ethyl chloride. And byproduct is phosphonium chloride, that is POCl. Here byproduct is also very, very important. Sometimes they are asking this and this they are giving. Byproduct they are asking, that is phosphonium chloride, POCl3 and HCl, students. You can observe this is the balance equation. Okay. And then next question, if you observe, what is esterification reaction? Very, very important question for 2 marks. Give an example. What is esterification reaction? When acids combines with alcohols and it produce what? Esters, corresponding esters, right? Acid combine, carboxylic acid combines with alcohol. Then what will happen means here carbon-oxygen bond cleavage taking place from carboxylic acid, from alcohol OH bond cleavage taking place, and there is a removal of water molecules taking place. This CO group, this carbon is attached by this O and OR dash. RCOO R dash is nothing but what? Ester. This is the general equation. One example they have asked, so that's why you take example. Here in place of R I have taken CH3, in place of R dash I have taken C2H5. See that CH3COOH plus C2H5OH. Ethanol acetic acid combines in the presence of acid catalyst and it will give what? The same thing. Here OH, here H, removed as water molecule, and the remaining entity you observe that CH3C double bond O, this carbon is attacked by oxygen, so that's why COC2H5, right? So RCOO R dash, here ethyl acetate disease. What is the name of this compound? Ethyl acetate, right? This is the esterification reaction with one example. Okay, copy this one. Let us see, students, one more important question for 3 marks, that is explain the mechanism of acid catalyzer dehydration of ethanol to ethene. Dehydration means what? Removal of water molecule. Removal of water molecule. Ethanol to ethene. Suppose if you take ethanol like this, CH3CH2OH, it will be in the form of water, ethanol, and dehydration, acid catalyzer. So that's why H plus ion, right? So acid catalyzer, dehydration of ethanol to ethene means water, CH2 double bond CH2 plus water. Removal of water molecules take place from alpha carbon OH group, from beta carbon hydrogen is removed in the form of water molecule. It leads to formation of alkene, that is here ethene. This reaction mechanism involves in 3 steps. So what are the steps involved in this? Step 1, if you observe, formation of protonated alcohol means protonated alcohol means what? After addition of H plus ion, that alcohol will become what? Protonated alcohol. How it is? Suppose you can take here alcohol CH3CH2OH. On oxygen, lone pair of an electrons are present. Electron rich compound easily capture this H plus ion, and it will be converting into what? Protonated alcohol. This is what? Protonated alcohol. Protonated alcohol we have got, right? Yes. In this protonated alcohol, if you observe, oxygen is having the positive charge. Among all these elements, oxygen is more electronegative. Being a more electronegative, it never accepts a positive charge. So because of that reason, what will happen means, in the second step, formation of carbocation by loss of water molecule. That means what? This oxygen attracts the shared pair of an electrons like this, means the sigma electrons attracted by oxygen, and oxygen loses positive charge and it releases in the form of water molecule. Here bond broken, that electrons are attracted by oxygen, so automatically what happens here? Carbon gets positive charge. So it leads to the formation of carbocation in the second step. This here cleavage of bond taking place, so that's why this reaction is a very slow reaction. Whereas first step is very fast, because this is electron rich, easily capture the H plus ion in the first step. In the second step, cleavage of bond should take place between carbon and oxygen. Because of that reason here, this step will take place very slow manner. So the slowest step of the reaction mechanism is rate determining step. So what is the rate determining step in this mechanism means second step, formation of carbocation by loss of water molecule. This is the rate determining step, students. So that's why you can also write this is what? RDS. RDS, rate determining step, this second step. Okay. And the next third step, if you observe, formation of ethene by loss of proton. Here carbocation is formed, but which is not stable, right? So because of that reason here, this carbon always trying to lose its positive charge. So because of that reason, it in the third step, what will happen means, any one of the carbon hydrogen bond, that sigma electrons are attracted by this carbon, and it leads to the formation of double bond. And it leads to the what? Formation of double bond. by the removal of H plus. So H plus ion comes out from any one of the carbon hydrogen bond. H plus ion comes out and it leads to the formation of what? Double bond. So CH2 double bond CH2. This is what, students? Ethene formation taking place in 3 steps. From alcohol to alkene, ethanol to ethene. Very, very important question for 3 marks. Practice properly this question, students. Okay, na? Copy this one. Let us see, students, the next question, important question. Name the major products formed when the vapors of following alcohols are passed over hot copper at the 573 Kelvin. This question already I have explained to you. See that here all the variations, that is primary alcohol, secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohol variations are differentiation. I am going to explain to you by using this reagent, that is what? Hot copper at 573 Kelvin. So how do we differentiate? We will see that. For example, if you observe in the first question, that is CH3, CHOH, CH3, right? This is secondary alcohol. Whenever secondary alcohol treated with the copper, hard copper at 573 Kelvin, what will happen? You see that CH3, CH, right? CH. For easy understand, I am writing like this: OH, CHOH, CH3. I am writing here, right? Yes. Whenever you have treated with copper at the 573 Kelvin, in case of primary or the secondary alcohols, this reagent used as what? Dehydrogenation. So removal of H2 taking place. So from this OH, one of the hydrogen, and from this carbon, one of the hydrogen, removed as H2. Removed as what? H2. Means breaking of 2 single bonds results in the formation of double bond. So that's why the compound will get CH3, C double bond O, CH3. Correct? CH3, C double bond O, CH3. This is nothing but what? Acetone. So acetone is formed, right? Major product. Name the major product they have asked. So what is the name of this compound? Acetone. Acetone, another name if you want, you can also write IUPAC name if they ask. So propane 2-one. What is this name? Propane 2-one. Propane 2-one as the major product in the first question. This is the first question answer, right? And the second question, you observe OH attached carbon is further attached with 2 more hydrogens and 1 phenyl. So there is no double bond here, right? Or this is what primary alcohol we can say. OH attached carbon is sp3 hybridization, and that too 2 hydrogens are present. 2 hydrogens are present. So it is primary alcohol. This is secondary alcohol. So whenever primary alcohol given, what will happen? You will see that, student. So primary alcohol is present na CH2 OH. This is the situation. Here also same reagent, copper 573 Kelvin. Then what will happen? Primary alcohols also, in the presence of primary alcohols also, this reagent used as what? Dehydrogenation, means removal of water, removal of H2. That means here breaking of bond is taking place. Here, or else here or here, any one. That means what? Here one of the hydrogen, here one of the hydrogen, removed as H2. Removed as H2. That means breaking of 2 single bonds results in the formation of here double bond. Then what will get? Benzaldehyde will get, right? Benzaldehyde will get CHO. What is the name of this compound? Benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde as the major product in this second case. Benzaldehyde as the major product, right? So next, third question, you see that. Third question already we have discussed this. Here what will happen means, in third question, here one of the CH3 is there, that CH3 we can also write like this, CH2H. Whenever you have used the reagent copper by 573 Kelvin, copper by 573 Kelvin, removal of water molecule is taking place. Because why it is so? Here OH attached carbon is having hydrogens. Here also OH attached carbon is having one of the hydrogen. That hydrogen is removed. Here OH attached carbon is not having any hydrogens. So because of absence of alpha carbon hydrogen, this tertiary alcohol will undergo dehydration process instead of dehydrogenation. That means here one of the alpha hydrogen. See that OH attached carbon is alpha. So from alpha carbon OH group, from beta carbon hydrogen. Removed as what? Water molecule. Removed as water molecule. Then breaking of two single bonds results in the formation of double bond. Then what compound you will get? CH3C, CH3, double bond CH2. Then what is the name of this compound, sir? You may ask the question here. So let us take 1, 2, 3. On second question, methyl is present, students. So that's right. 2-methyl propane or prop 1A also you can write. So 2-methyl propene is the correct answer as the major product you will get it, right? So such type of questions they are asking frequently. So that's why copy this one and practice more number of questions based on this reagent. You take primary alcohol, secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohol and practice. Maximum they are asking this only repeatedly, right? Copy this one, students. Let us see, students, the next question. Arrange the following compounds in increasing order of boiling point. How do we decide this compound is having more boiling point and this compound is having less boiling point? Means you count the molecular mass. Generally, molecular weight increases, boiling point also increases. The first priority you can give. Suppose the same chain is present, same molecular mass, the almost similar molecular masses are present. Then you should identify the branching. If branching is more, then boiling point will be less because it possesses a less surface area. Less surface area means easily boil, right? So based on that points, you should arrange the given compounds in the increasing order. Now you observe prop means root word 3, but means root word 4, but means again root word 4, pent means root word 5. So highest boiling point is pentane 1 mole, least boiling point is propane 1 mole. So propane 1 mole I have written as a least boiling point. Next least is from butane 1 mole and from butane 2 mole. Which one will come first? You observe here, butane 1 mole means OH group is present on first carbon, straight chain, right? But here second position OH group is present, so branching is present. So due to the presence of branching, it can easily boil. So butane 2 mole next. Due to the absence of branching, here butane 1 mole is the next highest boiling point compared with this. And the next highest is based on molecular mass, pentane 1 mole is highest boiling point, students. Like this we have to arrange the compounds, given compounds in the increasing order of boiling points. Okay, now I hope everybody understood this. And the next question is that suggest a reagent for the following conversion. See that here OH attached carbon further attached with the 2 other carbon atoms. That means what? This is a secondary alcohol. This is what alcohol? Secondary alcohol. So secondary alcohol will be converting into ketone. So which reagent we have to use means generally chromic oxide with pyridine and HCl. This reagent mainly used for the conversion of secondary alcohol to ketone. Primary alcohol to aldehyde means PCC we have to use. Pyridinium chlorochromate generally we use in the conversion of primary alcohol to aldehyde. In the conversion of secondary alcohol to ketone, generally we use what? Chromic oxide with pyridine and HCl. This reagent easily converts secondary alcohols to what? Ketone, students, right? With primary alcohol PCC, with the secondary alcohol this reagent. Okay, now I hope everybody understood this. You practice like this from alcohols. From alcohols, whatever the important questions they have given in the previous years as well as from PU board questions, everything I have covered. Maximum you will get from these questions only. This is only from alcohols. In the similar manner, the important questions we will get from ketones and alcohols, phenols and ethers also. Not only from alcohols only we have covered the questions. Phenols and ethers questions also important questions we are going to discuss in the next video, students. Thank you all. Copy this one.